You wanted to up your game, promote yourself or your business on YouTube. So you want to start a YouTube channel. You're going to need a Gmail account. If you don't have one, you have to set one up. But let's get started. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. I already have a channel, but let's start a new one. So let's add an account. And of course, your password. And ta-da! You now have a YouTube account. I'm not going to continue in a new Chrome profile right now. You might not even get this option, but I think it's because I have pre-existing YouTube and Google accounts that are already set up with my other channels. So you can click on the icon on the right of your screen, click create a channel. So this is where you can change the channel name and add a picture, but we're going to do that a little bit later. So just now we're just going to create a channel. Now let's click customize channel, and this will bring you to YouTube Studio. Let's just get to the branding. This is where you can add your photo, banner, and if you want, a watermark. So I'm going to use this as my channel for this video. So I made all these things in Canva already. I will show you in another video how to create these. Now we'll put a link to Canva in the description. But if you prefer to use a different photo editing software, all the sizes that you need are right on YouTube. When you're done here, don't forget to hit the publishing before exiting this screen. Now let's go to the basic info section. Now you can do this in any order that you wish. I just choose to do it this way because I'm a very visual person and I like to set up how the channel looks first. So let's change the name of this channel. And here is where you can add your description for your channel. And when you do, try to use some keywords if possible. I'm just going to leave it blank right now. I'm going to fill that in a little bit later. Down here is where you can add links, for example, to your website and other social media platforms. And these links will show up in your banner. And of course, an email. You may prefer to be contacted with a different email than the one that you set this channel up with. Really important again, always hit that publish button before exiting this screen. Now you're all set up and you can start creating content, uploading videos, and start promoting yourself or your business on YouTube.